Everybody, this is Telepathy. Today we have two products from Green Company, one of my favorite mobile accessory brand in the market. Clear case Magsafe plus wireless car charger magnetic car mount. Without further ado, let's review the boxes. First, we're gonna review this box. It's a car mount wireless charger plus two stands, air vent plus a stick-on holder, black color, 15 watt. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, we have a charging cable type C. We have two stands. One of them is air vent stand, one of them is dashboard stand with the sticker, and we have the main part here, magnetic mobile holder. This area you can plug in your type C to charge it, and then you should have a Magsafe for this mobile holder. Let's open this one as well. It's 1.2 meter drop tested, slim design from Green Company. Clear case. So after installation of this car mount, you will use this case to stick your phone on it and charge your phone while driving. And if you want to order these two products, you should visit our online store telepathy.qa and get the item the same day, free delivery. Thanks for watching. See you soon.